Hey, what's up, Vespa fans? This is Alex from Vespa Motorsport and scooterwest.com. We have a cool little new product we just got in. These have actually been out for a while, but we just haven't really picked them up. But this is the grip lock. And what these are, they're actually made out of New Zealand, actually, believe it or not. Really, really nice quality, 10-year warranty on them. And what this little thing does is it actually locks the lever on your scooter. So really super easy install. Just wraps around the grip right here. This closes down. The lever fits in there. Snap it in place. This turns in, turns there, and pulls out. So basically it makes it so the brake is locked on your bike. Also adds an extra touch of this little device sticking on your bike, like it goes, hey, something's going on here where you can't steal this bike. So it kind of gives a little visual deterrent as well. But it's just a nice, super simple, little extra security device you can get for your Vespa. They do come in a range of colors. This yellow just happens to match this yellow bike nicely. There's also a red and just kind of your good old black. Black's always in fashion. They do actually come with extra little grip spacers as well. This bike happens to have the heated grips, so the grips are a little wider and thicker on that. And so you'd probably end up using this one little spacer for the stock Vespa grips. But this is a great little product made out of New Zealand. They've actually been out for a long time. They've kind of been tried and true. Just a nice, simple theft deterrent item for your Vespa scooter. So, and you know, nice quality and inexpensive too. So we have these on scooterwest.com. Part number, there's a couple different part numbers for them depending on the color, but they all start with LK0020. Yellow is 55, black 51, and the red is 52. So once again, it's LK0020, and then 55, 51, or 52. So comes with 2 sets of keys, and yeah, check it out if you're worried about protecting your bike a little bit. It's a nice little extra thing to get. So make a great little present or something, or gift if you're a Vespa fan as well. So, you know, hey, thanks a lot. Thanks for tuning in, YouTube channel. Thanks for checking out scooterwest.com. And if you're ever in San Diego, come and stop in at Vespa Motorsport. And we're open here Tuesday through Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6. And then online calling is Monday through Friday, 10 to 6. Anyhow, thanks again, and we'll see you guys next time.